You better leave me alone.
What I need to do? Well, a couple things, I respect you for coming forward and telling me what you told me. You admitted that you shot the man.
Quit picking on me.
44 hours later, detectives.
I said leave me alone.
Case.
Hey, leave me alone.
In the first 48,
I mean it.
Memphis Sergeant Ron Collins
Hey.
and Monday responded to the shooting death
Picking on me.
of Spann, nicknamed Black.
I said to quit picking on me.
Sandy Bridges and her brother, Mauricio P. Willis.
Quit. Hey, get down. Get off me.
Sandy's house.
Get off
And
me.
she told investigators that her brother shot the victim. They apprehended P. and brought him back to headquarters, where he admitted to shooting.
Hey, knock it off. Hey, get off the chair. I said get off the chair. Get off the chair. Get down. You get down off this chair now. Get off the chair. You ain't supposed to be up here. Lindy, get down. Get down. What do you... Knock it off. Take you to the pound. I'm gonna get a cat. Cats are better than dogs. I'm telling you right now. Get rid of you and get a cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty.